Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Back on the Cadillac, is it Eldorado? Brome? How do I say that? It's Brome, like a long O, right? Anyway, so I'm back at it. A little progress. Interior's painted. The chassis is painted. Got some minor detail work done. Not a lot of detail in this thing, to be honest with you. The dash is fairly basic. Door panels are basic, but seats are painted. Got those ready to go. The tires I have painted and got the white walls. So all I did was took a gel pen and just right around in that, because there is a groove. So doesn't that look nice? It's like a real white wall. So got that going. Door handles are painted. Steering wheel's on and detailed. I've got the rear chrome pieces they're on. Got to get the seats in it. Got to get the wheels and tires mounted. Then get the roof mounted on it. So I got to get the roof on there, but that has to wait until the windows, which are right here, are mounted in place. So when I get the interior in, I'll probably do the roof very last after I do everything else, because it seems a little fragile. It's held on by literally the front and rear glass. So I will go ahead, mount the seats. Gonna get these tires and wheels on with these fiddly little plastic axles. Before I do that, want to mention really quick, Billy Bear, who sent me this kit, we were on our Patreon private live stream Friday night. You guys, if you're not on that, you're missing a blast. We were on that thing. We did a almost 2-hour long, just got on there and talked. It was so much fun. I think there were 6 of us all together, 5 of us, or I think at the most there were 6, and we just had an absolute blast. But Billy, that sent me this kit, said he sent it kinda as a joke, and he said whenever he saw me actually take this kit and start working on it, he was just like hitting himself. He's like, oh no, I can't believe he's going to try that, because you know, he didn't really, he knew it was kind of difficult. I'm not going to say bad. I'm going to say my mind has changed on bad kits and difficult kits. Most people would say that this was a piece of junk, or the Country Challenger, or the General Lee by MPC. They're just what they'll say, or the Daytona, pieces of junk. How about they're just more difficult? How about we'll go down there? But anyway, Billy said when he saw me starting this, it was like, oh no, I shouldn't have even sent it to him. I didn't mean, no, Matthew. But hey, Billy, this has been fun. Again, I've got this weird, I like to do these difficult kits. They're step back in time, blast from the past, whatever you want to call it. But these are fun kits, and the paint turned out really nice too. Alright, so I'm going to get with it. Hey, if you hadn't already subscribed, I'm going to throw that out there at the beginning of the video. Hit the subscription button. If you like this video, after you watch it, give me a like, and hey, shoot me a comment. Let me know what I did or didn't do right on this thing. Let's get going. Stand by. Alright, well, I'm almost finished with this thing. So I've got the windows on, front and rear window glass. Got the tires on it. It looks really nice. This has turned out to be really, really nice. I have a few little touch-ups I want to do, and then attach the roof. And it fits pretty decent. I'll be frank with you. It fits pretty decent. It's a little twisted, but I think I can hold it until the glue completely sets. Or put some accelerator on it. Hey, look at that. Isn't that nice? Looking great. So, oh shoot. I did get the bumper and the lights painted. Headlights are painted because it's had chrome headlights. Got some license plates on it and the chrome. And anyway, it's just looking really cool. So, I won't show you the underside. It's just black. There's no detail work at all. It's why, because, you know, it's one of those promo style bottoms. It's like and there's no engine. So it'll just sit on my shelf. So I'm not really interested in the details of the lower section, underbelly. But let me get this roof on. A few little touch-ups, paint touch-ups here and there, and be right back with a finished kit. Good deal. Stand by. Well, it's done. It's a 50, I think it's a 58 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham. Originally came out this kit. No, it couldn't be. Got to be a 57. Oh well, I got the wrong license plate on it. I wasn't even thinking about that. If it was a 50, it could have been, yeah. Oh well. No, it could be 58 because sometimes they had the newer models before they came out or something like that. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is a 58. If not, you know what? If you look up 58 Eldorados, Broughams, they look like this. So it's 58. Mine's got a 58 tag on it. But anyways, done. So here we go. Got a little disappointment to let you know in. Bam. There we go. Get this out of the way. So, it turned out pretty darn good. See, they're 58. I couldn't find any 57s. Alright, so so two-piece body. Curbside. There's no engine. Lots of bare metal foil. A lot of long car, big. You know what? But this wasn't a giant car. It was only a 2-door anyway. No, it's 4-door. It's just got these backwards doors. But anyway, it wasn't a ginormous car. Did the roof in. Tried to get it as close to like a brushed stainless as I could, but it's not. But I had an incident. Darn it! I had my phone up above me when the roof was off. And it fell down and hit my roof and gave it a scuff that I cannot get off. But oh well, it's okay. The wheels turned out just great, even though they're hard styrene plastic. I did do the black bumpers or those missile tips on the end. I painted those black. Headlights are painted. Black washed the grill. The taillights, I painted the taillights. Both sets of taillights. Exhaust tips come out under. See where it's blacked out. But yeah, it's just a cool kit. And the interior looks really nice. The roof fit okay. Once I got it on there, I was like, it's going to be the way it is. And I glued her down. And see a little gap right toward the back right here. But it's not real obvious. But all in all, it turned out to be a darn nice kit. Or a nice looking kit. Difficulty level, like a 10. It's very difficult, but that's okay. What I say, if everything, I read a commenter, I think it was on this last video of this, is like, hey, if all of them just fell together and all it took was paint and glue, you know, our skill level would never increase. That's very true. So, I encourage you guys to jump on a kit that you don't like and just really try to complete it and make it. My goal is every kit that I build, I want it to be better than the last one, even though if the last one was like a new release of a Revell kit or something that was just so nice to put together, and then you get something like this. My goal is to make this look as good or better than the last one that I did. So I encourage you guys. In the last segment here, I said they're not bad kits; they're difficult kits. And I know I'll get people that disagree with that. No, Matthew, they're bad kits. Well, some people would say that this was a terrible kit. I would say it was just difficult because it turned out looking pretty nice. I'm proud of it. I'm really proud of it. So I encourage you guys to get that one that you didn't think you could do. Get it down and spend some time with it, and maybe you'll learn a little trick or something that, you know, because of the difficulty level that you wouldn't have learned if you did an easy kit to build. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Give this thing a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, if you hadn't subscribed already, go hit that subscription button. Go check out Hobby Nut Models, where this paint came from. MCW Paint. He's got a Mark over at Hobby Nut's got a great line of MCW paints. Don't forget to go over there and check him out. Also, the Patreon live stream was awesome this last Friday. Today is Sunday the 12th. This is when I'm ending this video, Sunday the 12th. But Friday the 10th, we had an awesome Patreon private live stream. I encourage you guys, if you're not a member of my Patreon, go over there, become a member, and we'll have a blast. I mean, it truly was a blast. Thank you to Billy Bear, who was on the live stream, who sent me this kit. I appreciate it, Billy. Thanks a lot for thinking of me. Even if you threw this in at me as kind of a joke, hey, I took it serious and it turned out looking nice. So thank you, everyone. Thanks for your support, and I'm going to take some pictures of this thing, and we will see what she looks like up close and personal. Hey, guys, take care, and see you soon. Bye.